Hey guys, ka YouTube channel ng Kalinsa lunglomhnak tampi ka ngei. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today I am having a lot of stuff. I have spicy noodles right here, and then buffalo spicy chicken, and then teriyaki flavored chicken, and then I have some boiled eggs right here, cucumber, and then I have my kind of like they call it rice paper roll, sushi roll, and I have my, this is sweet chili sauce. I love these spicy noodles, they are just so good. We also have like non-spicy noodles, but I just love my spicy noodles. It's so good. This is the teriyaki flavor chicken. This has some cucumber, carrots, lettuce, avocado, and shrimp. Here's my cucumber, whole cucumber. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, guys. Until next time, bye.